Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to talk about the future of cinema. And that future is AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword or a passing trend. It is the next frontier in filmmaking, and it has the power to revolutionize the way we experience movies. Imagine a world where AI can analyze data from thousands of films to predict what audiences want to see. It can help filmmakers create more engaging and immersive stories, tailored to the preferences of viewers. AI can also assist in the production process, from script writing to editing, making the filmmaking process more efficient and cost-effective. But AI is not just about making movies. It can also enhance the movie-watching experience. Imagine a personalized AI assistant that recommends movies based on your mood, preferences, and viewing history. It can even create custom trailers or behind-the-scenes content just for you. And let's not forget about the potential for AI in virtual reality and augmented reality. With AI, filmmakers can create interactive and immersive experiences that blur the lines between reality and fiction. Imagine stepping into your favorite movie and interacting with the characters in real time. But I know what some of you may be thinking. Will AI replace human creativity in filmmaking? The answer is no. AI is a tool, not a replacement. It can assist filmmakers in realizing their vision and pushing the boundaries of storytelling. It can help them explore new ideas and experiment with different styles and techniques. So I urge you to embrace AI in cinema. It is not something to fear, but something to embrace. It has the power to transform the way we create and consume movies, opening up a world of possibilities that we have yet to explore. The future of cinema is here, and it is powered by AI.